अस्सलाम गाइस, आज हम एक बड़ा सीरियस मसला देख रहे हैं which is मेरे बाल, मेरी जुल्फें. As many of you may or may not know, I like to keep my hair game strong, but lately it's still more like hair gone wrong. Am I right? Am I right? But that is the case no more since I tried out these new hair serums I found by Rivaj. Transition.
This is what I look like after having used the serums. Just look at the shine. मतलब ये proper game changer साबित हुआ है. मैं इसको mostly नहाने के बाद use करता हूँ. You know, around 2 to 3 pumps depending on आपके बाल, and then let it dry out. ये serums 3 variants में आते हैं: keratin, aloe and coconut, and argan. We all know how keratin is good for your hair. It strengthens it and gives it shine. Aloe and coconut is extremely moisturizing for your hair. तो अगर आपके बाल ड्राई हैं, you know, this should be your pick. And lastly, argan serum. ये split ends reduce करता है, आपके बालों को environmental damage से बचाता है ताकि ये टूटे ना. And as you've seen, all 3 are really good for the frizz. Also, this can be used by men and women both. I know मेरे घर में तो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So go to your nearest departmental store or check out Rivaj's website for their newly launched hair serums.